Let me ask you something very practical. If someone asked you for your website right now out loud, would you feel confident saying it? Not texting it, not copying and pasting it, saying it. Because that moment matters more than most people realize, and here's why. When a client asks for your website, they're already interested. They're already leaning in. They're already picturing themselves booking you. And if your answer sounds like this, okay, it's www.-something-/page 13 ? ID equals, come on, man, right? Like the moment of interest turns into instant hesitation. Not because your work isn't good and not even because they don't want henna, right? It's because the process now suddenly feels way harder than it needs to be. This is one of those marketing mistakes that feels small, almost too small to matter, but it matters because it's about how easy you make it for people to remember you, to share you, and to come back to you. Professional businesses don't make clients work to remember them. They remove friction wherever possible. A long, confusing, or messy URL creates friction in 3 key ways. First, it's hard to remember, right? If your website link looks like a password instead of a name, no one is holding it into their head. It's not going to stay with them, okay? That means fewer referrals and fewer casual shares as well. Fewer, oh, actually, I know someone moments. Like they're gone. Second, it's hard to trust. Even if this isn't logical, our brains associate clean, simple links with legitimacy. A tidy URL feels intentional. A stringy one, even temporary, feels like it doesn't fit your business, right? And third, it's hard to share. And clients don't want to risk getting it wrong. So instead of trying, they'll just wait, or they'll forget, or they'll move on, right? This mistake shows up a lot for newer artists because most platforms give you a default link, right? A booking platform URL, a page ID, a long back-end address. And no one ever tells you that you don't have to keep it that way. So let me say this to you clearly. If you've not been in the tech space for long, right? You are allowed to make things easier. You don't have to be super tech savvy either. You don't have to completely rebuild your website. You don't have to be perfect. You just need a link that feels human, short, clear, easy to say, all right? Something you'd feel comfortable sharing in conversation, something a client wouldn't hesitate to type. So that might look like yourbusinessname.com or bookyourname.com or hennawithyourname.com or even a shortened link that points to your booking page, right? This is where tools like link shorteners or custom domains come in. They're not about being fancy, they're about being considerate, right? Because clarity is a form of care for your clients and for yourself. I also want you to notice something. When your link is clean, you show up differently, right? You're more confident sharing it. You're more likely to say it out loud. You're more likely to include it in conversations and captions and stories. That confidence compounds, all right? And confidence, well, it's contagious. So here's another layer that most people miss, okay? A clean URL doesn't just help clients find you. It also helps them vouch for you, and this is super important. When a client tells a friend, just go to blank.com, they should sound confident. They feel helpful, right? They become part of your marketing even without trying. And that's what we want, right? We want our clients to advocate for our businesses and make referrals as well. So here's your action step. Today, look at your current website or booking link and ask yourself, would I feel confident saying this out loud? And would someone else feel confident typing this in correctly? If the answer is no, that's okay. Use a link shortener or purchase a simple custom domain, either way. And then update it everywhere. Your Instagram bio, your social profiles, your booking confirmations, everywhere. Let that one clean link become your digital front door. And if you want to start having more support, right? Thinking through these kinds of decisions, not just links, but how to build a business that feels professional without feeling overwhelming. That's exactly what we do inside of my programs here at Hennapreneur. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about making small but smart moves that add up to real momentum. You can download the Hennapreneur app and start there, because the easier you make it for people to find you, the easier it becomes for them to choose you and book you and for your business to grow.